Are you B.Tech or graduate fresher? Looking for a job in IT MNCs like Wipro, XYL, IBM? Join Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, the best IT recruiter company in India. Special 45 days industrial training and placement program in networking, and get placed in MNC like Wipro, XYL, IBM. Placed 3,700 plus freshers in MNC in network, cloud and security domain. Experienced trainers from corporates. 100% job guarantee. Evision provides real-time work experience and exposure, 1-year work experience, internship documents for job, modified resume as a network engineer.
Hi, I'm Mayur Pratapsingh Chavan from Maharashtra. Evision is the best platform for studying IT courses. They provide 24/7 support, live classes, instant doubt clearing, chat, call support, all things. Everything that is possible by them. As a learner, I got all I required to successfully understand and complete the course. I got selected in Vareli Tecnac Pvt Ltd with a salary package of 2.3 LPA. They Evision provides us the teaching of every field in which required for desktop servers engineer and service desk engineer, which include all the troubleshootings of application software configuration, basic server related issues, network issues, cybersecurity issues, printer configuration, all the things they teach us. I really enjoyed the learning experience over Evision, and I would surely recommend this, as you can trust blindly for the best platform. Evision is the best platform to learn all these skills. Thank you.
Our mission to provide job in MNC. More than 1 lakh jobs in desktop and networking by 2021. Get trained and placed within 45 days in MNC like Wipro, XYL, others. Roles in networking: Technical Support Specialist, IT Support Administrator, Desktop Support Engineer, Windows System Engineer, Network Administrator, Linux System Administrator, Unix Administrator. Evision, connecting talent to opportunity. For more queries, contact the number given below or visit www.evisions.co.in.